Today is Monday, January 24th, 2022. This video is about this Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 vacuum cleaner that I have listed on various online sales sites. And I'm just demonstrating how it functions. I'm not in the vacuum cleaner repair business or vacuum cleaner business. I get them for sale sometimes. I usually list them as is for parts or repair because I'm not in the vacuum cleaner business, and I just do a basic test and demonstrate how it functions. And I'm hoping that the buyers of these will be in the vacuum cleaner business or refurbished vacuum cleaners. So this is a quick look at the cosmetics of how it looks. Most of the time they will be soiled. I usually only do a basic wipe down, and I let the people who buy them to refurbish them do any kind of extensive cleaning that they may need. This vacuum cleaner so far, the only thing I see that I'm not too sure if it's correct or in proper condition is right here. This here, I'm thinking there should be some sort of clip here that keeps this down, but there's no clip there. I don't know if there should be a clip there or not, but there's not one there. There should be something that holds this down, but there's nothing there. I noticed from my previous experimenting with this vacuum cleaner, when it's up like this, upright, as opposed to being back like this, when it's upright like this, the suction comes through here or through the hose. And when it's down like this, the suction goes through the broom. And this is a Dyson Multi-Floor 2. I believe the model is UP19. Okay, I'm going to plug the vacuum cleaner in. Now you can see there's a lot of dust already in there. I'm going to dump that dust out and use it for a little bit for the demonstration. Okay, going to pause for a second. Okay, I have removed what I believe is called the canister. And give you can see the model numbers here. I believe if you pause the video, you should be able to see that. Okay, so I have dumped some of that dust that was in the canister onto this rug to demonstrate how the vacuum functions. And the vacuum cleaner has two buttons. And I believe the buttons, well, one button, this button here is the power button. Press the power button and it comes on. And the other button, okay, that's the power button. And the other button has a brush on it, so I believe that's the button for the motorized broom. Okay, there's the power button. Power button powers on. Motorized broom is not turning, but I think it has to be back in order for it to turn. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to turn the power button on, then flip it back. Let's get the suction coming from here now. And when you flip it back, I believe the suction goes to the broom. Now whether it automatically spins or not, I'll see. Flip it back. The suction is now at the broom. At the broom, and the broom is spinning. Now what this button does, okay, when you press the button in the up, it stops the broom from spinning. Press it down, the broom spins. Okay. Okay, as I've seen, when you press the when that brush button or broom button is up, the broom spins. When it's pressed down, the broom does not spin. So now I'm gonna press the power button and do some vacuum pickup or some dust pickup. I assume the broom is for carpets. You would have the broom spinning for carpets, and maybe for solid or wood or tile floors, you might not have the broom spinning. Okay, gonna power it on. Get it over this fringes. Power it on. Spin the broom. I may have had that opposite. Maybe the broom spins when it's down, not up. Let's try it again. Okay. Press down for the broom to spin. And now I'm going to try to test this hose, which is, I believe you press this button to release the hose. And I can't do it. Oh, okay. Press this button, releases the hose. I guess this locks the hose in, maybe? Nope. Anyway, lift this. This is how the hose comes out. I believe this is something supposed to lock it in, but it doesn't appear to be locked in. But I'm just testing the hose anyway, so I'm going to pull the hose out like this. And see how it picks up this dust. And I'm pretty sure there are attachments that you can get to go on the end of the brush. I don't have any attachments with this units. Okay, so we're gonna press the power on. And not sure if I actually got the suction on the video, so let's try it again. Okay, that's it for the video of this Dyson ball multi-floor. Okay, this video was just to show how the one I have for sale functions. I probably won't leave this video up since it's not intended to be any kind of real demo. Just to show that the one I have functions. You can see it cleaned that rug and the suction from the hose. Thank you.